So now you're actually drawing the ball a little bit with a little square stance. So for practice in the future, I'd recommend using that alignment stick.
Okay.
You're going to feel like you're shut because you're naturally setting up open to the golf shot.
Yeah.
So if you feel like you're shut, you're actually square. So you just have to trust it when you're taking the club back and swing all the way through, because that lets you turn all the way through. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Rather an open stance, if you have an open stance, you're either going to hit behind it or you're slapping the golf ball. So from now when you practice, it all comes back to the setup. So make sure the setup is square, and then you're going to make sure, you're going to have a good swing. So,
Okay.
yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Show you what that feels like. So grab the club and lift it for me. So this is the sensation I want you to be feeling when you're on the backswing, at impact, and at follow through, right?
Okay.
So that's the feeling I want you to feel when you're turning the club over. So a quick drill that you can work on is when you grab this bucket, just grab it. So now set up like you're going to hit a golf ball. Now take it to the back of the backswing. So see how you're tossing water backwards? Your ball's going to always flare out to the right if you do this.
Okay.
So what you got to do is you got to throw the bucket of water forward. Does that make sense? Yeah. Perfect. So that's something to do in between each shot. If your ball starts flaring out to the right, just grab that bucket of water and imagine that you're throwing the bucket of water forward.
Okay.
All right? Awesome. All right, cool, Zach. So let's talk about aiming today. Do you ever watch golf on TV? Okay, so let me show you what pros do when they set up to hit a golf shot. So if you stand over here behind me, and I'll show what's going on. So when pros, they go through a thing called a pre-shot routine. So what they'll do is they'll stand behind a golf ball, draw an imaginary line from the target. So let's say that flag right there is our target. They're going to draw an imaginary line from there to the golf ball. Once they do that, they're going to pick a spot right in front of the golf ball where they're going to swing over. So once they pick that spot, all they do is set up parallel to that. And then theoretically, all you have to do when you swing the golf club is carry it over that spot where you picked, and then that's how you aim. Also, doing this pre-shot routine, when you're playing in tournament conditions or you have a money game against your friends, having that routine will help calm down your nerves. So like everything you do, it's a routine. So it helps you aim, helps you calm down before your shot. So let's try that out a couple times, all right?
All right.